Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language used for a wide range of applications. Installing Python on Windows 10 is a straightforward process, and this tutorial will guide you through the steps of installing Python 3.8 on a 64-bit Windows 10 system. Open your web browser and go to the official Python website, Python Downloads. Make sure you are on the Downloads page, and you will see the latest version of Python. As of my knowledge cutoff in January 2022, Python 3.8 is used in this example. However, you may choose a different version if available. Scroll down to the Looking for a specific release section and find Python 3.8. Choose the 64-bit executable installer for Windows. This is important for Windows 10, 64-bit. Click on the link to download the installer. Locate the downloaded installer. It should be named something like Python 3.8.xamd64.exe. Double-click on the installer to run it. In the Python setup window, make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.x to path. This will make it easier to run Python from the command line. Click on the Install Now button. The installer will now copy the necessary files and install Python on your system. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will see a screen that says Setup was successful. You can now close the installer. Open the Windows Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Open the command prompt and type the following command to check if Python was installed successfully. If successful, you should see the version number, such as Python 3.8.x. Additionally, you can open the Python replace, read eval print loop, by typing. You should enter the Python interactive shell, and you can type exit, to exit the shell. Now that Python is installed, let's write a simple hello, world, program to verify that everything is working correctly. Open a text editor, like Notepad, and enter the following Python code. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, hello.py. Open the command prompt, navigate to the directory where you saved your Python file, and run the program by typing. You should see the output hello, world, printed to the console. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python 3.8 on your Windows 10, 64-bit, system and executed a simple Python program. You are now ready to explore the world of Python programming. ChatGPT. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to download and install Python 3.8 on a Windows 10 64-bit system, along with a simple code example. Open your web browser and go to the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Click on the View the full list of downloads link. Scroll down to find the Python 3.8 section. Look for the version that matches your system architecture, 64-bit, and click on the link to download the installer. It usually says Windows x86-64 executable installer. Once the installer is downloaded, locate the file, typically in your Downloads folder, and double-click on it to run the installer. In the Python 3.8 installer window, make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.x to path during installation. This will make it easier to run Python from the command line. Click the Install Now button. Open the command prompt by pressing Win+R, typing cmd, and pressing Enter. In the command prompt, type the following command to check if Python is installed correctly and to display the version. Or for Python 3. You should see something like Python 3.8.x in the output. Now, let's write a simple Python script to test that everything is working. Open a text editor such as Notepad or use a code editor like Visual Studio Code. Enter the following code. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, hello.py. Open the command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you saved your Python script using the cd command. For example, run the script by typing. Or for Python 3. You should see the output, hello, Python 3.8. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python 3.8 on Windows 10 64-bit and executed a simple Python script. You are now ready to explore and develop with Python on your Windows system. ChatGPT